Good morning, class 9th. Happy Diwali to you all. Myself Pooja Sharma, your computer teacher from Springfields Public School. Children, today we'll do chapter 11. Open page number 236, unit 4, chapter 11. Today I'll tell you how to enter data in a worksheet, how to edit cell content, etc. To enter data in a cell, bring the cell pointer to the desired cell where you want to enter the data and then type the data. You can enter three types of data in a spreadsheet: numbers, text and formulas. For entering numbers, it is very easy method. Click on the cell and type the numbers using number keys. If you want to enter numbers as a text, then what will you do? If a number is entered in the format 01481, Excel will drop the leading 0. To preserve the leading 0, in case of telephone area code, roll number, etc., type an apostrophe before the number. Okay? Like apostrophe then 01481. The data is now treated as text. Next is how to enter date and time. Select the cell and type the date or time. You can separate the date element with the slash or hyphen. Okay. Next is entering text or label. It is very easy. Click on the cell and start typing whatever you want to type. Okay. Next is how to enter formulas. First of all, what is a formula? A formula is a symbolic expression that can include numbers, cell addresses, arithmetic operators and parentheses. But remember one thing, a formula in MS Excel must begin with equal to sign. Okay, if you want to write a formula in Excel, first of all you have to write equal sign, then you will put the formula. Next is editing cell content. If you have written something in a cell and by mistake you have written it wrong, then how to edit it? It has three methods. First of all, double click on the cell and edit the contents of the cells. Second, click on the cell and press F2 key. By pressing F2 key, the cursor will come at the end of the content. Then you can edit it. And the third method is, when you click on the cell, you can see the content on the formula bar also at the top. You can click over there and you can edit the contents. So, for editing the cell content, there are three methods. Okay. Next is removing data from a cell. How to remove data? Firstly, you can click on the cell and press the delete key. The data will be removed. Second is removing data and formatting. To remove data with formatting effect, you have to click on the cell first. After that, click on the clear button in editing group on the home tab and select clear all option. Your data will be removed. Yes, our next topic is how to enter formula. Excel has a powerful feature to perform calculation on the data. You can perform addition, subtraction, multiplication and division of numbers, either using formulas or functions. Formulas must begin with equal to sign, that I have told you before also. Okay. Spreadsheet software uses standard mathematical operators to perform calculation. Such as for addition, you press plus sign. For subtraction, you will press hyphen sign. For multiplication, multiply sign. For division, slash. And for exponents and power, there is a mark given. Okay. Yes, children, now you have to revise all these methods on your PC. Next time we'll complete this session and we'll do question answers of both the sessions that we have done before, chapter 10 I think, and this time chapter 11. We'll do question answers of both these chapters. Okay, thank you children. Stay home, stay safe.